Okay, I believe all of you have done page 164, so let's go through. Peter bought a pencil case and a pen. So, the pencil case cost $6.70 and the pen cost $2.10. So, like I've shown in the previous page, you can add the dollars, okay, or add the cents. Now, let's look at this equation. There is dollars to add, and there is also cents to add. So how do we do it mentally? So step 1, add the dollars. So $6.70, okay, plus what is the dollar in this equation? It is actually $2. So plus $2. So we add the dollars first. So in this case, okay, is 6 plus 2 is 8. So $8, and don't forget your cents. There's nothing right at the beginning, so it's $8.70. Now we can move on to adding the cents using our mental sum. So bring this $8.70 down. So $8.70. Now we have not added the cents, right? It's 10 cents. So plus 10 cents. This is how we write 10 cents, okay? Or alternatively, you can write 10 cents, but of course, this would be a preferred way because we are using dollars over here. Okay, so now let's look. Since there is no dollars, 8 plus 0 is 8. So now we add the cents. 70 plus 10 cents. So we count in that 70, 80. So therefore, okay, $6.70 plus $2.10 is $8.80. So Peter spent $8.80 all together. Now if you want to pause the video, you may. Otherwise, let's move on to question D. Siti bought a textbook and a pencil case. So textbook, I believe, is $4.20 and the pencil case is $6.70. So again, we use our mental sum without showing the algorithm. We add the dollars first. So we see here $4 and we see over here $6, right? So $4.20, add the dollars first. We just write $6. Okay, so let's add 4 plus 6 is equals to $10. Alright, so let's not forget the cents here, 20 cents. Now, after adding the dollars, we add the cents. So bring this down. So $10 and 20 cents. Now, the cents over here that we haven't added is 70 cents. So plus, remember your plus sign, plus 70 cents. So now we can add 20 plus 70. So if you use your mental sum, we count in tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, right? So therefore, it is $10.90. So when you add these two numbers together, it gives you $10.90. So this is how we use mental sum without showing the algorithm. Okay, so Siti spent $10.90 all together. Okay, so I'll pause here for you to finish the next two pages, page 165 and 166, before you check the video out.